Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're covering a luxury car brand that many people mispronounce, Audi. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is Audi, rhyming with howdy. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is ow, like in ouch or owl. And the second part is D, like the letter D. Now say it with me. Audi. One more time. Audi. Great job. So, where does the name Audi come from? It actually comes from the founder's name, August Horsch. Horsch means listen in German. And when translated into Latin, it becomes Audi. Pretty cool, right? Some people say Aw-dee or OW-dee, but now you know the correct way, Audi. Now the fun fact. Audi was the first company to crash test cars back in the 1930s. Talk about being ahead of the game. Now you can talk about your dream car with confidence. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need help with their pronunciation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.